Imagine a monument so ancient, its inception predates recorded history, shrouded in the sands of time and mystery. Yes, we are talking about the Great Sphinx of Giza. This colossal statue, a fusion of human and lion, is one of the oldest and most grandiose structures on our planet. It stretches out in the heart of the Egyptian desert, a silent testament to the ingenuity and ambition of a civilization long past. The origin and construction of this enigmatic figure is a topic that has sparked countless debates among scholars and archaeologists. Some theories even suggest that the Sphinx may be older than the pyramids themselves, a notion that only adds to its aura of intrigue. But despite the multitude of theories and research, the Sphinx remains an enigma, its true age and purpose veiled in the sands of antiquity. The Sphinx, a sentinel of time, silently guards its secrets, challenging us to unravel them. The Sphinx has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, silently gazing upon the shifting sands of time. Crafted by the skilled hands of ancient Egyptians, the Sphinx has been a silent observer of history. Its inception is shrouded in mystery, with most historians agreeing it was built during the reign of Pharaoh Khafre, around 4,500 years ago. The Sphinx, with its human head and lion's body, is often considered a guardian of the pyramids, a sentinel watching over the sacred tombs of the pharaohs. Yet some theorists suggest it was more than just a protector, proposing it was a celestial observatory, its gaze aligned with the rising sun during the spring equinox. Fast forward to the late 18th century, when Napoleon's army rediscovered the Sphinx half buried in the desert sand, sparking a renewed interest and fascination in this ancient monument. Despite the ravages of time, the Sphinx continues to stand, a testament to the ingenuity and ambition of a civilization long gone. The Sphinx is not just a monument, it's a riddle, an enigma that has puzzled scholars for centuries. Residing at the Giza Plateau, this colossal stone figure has been the subject of countless theories and debates. Its origin, its purpose, its creator. These are questions that have sparked the curiosity of thinkers, researchers, and explorers alike. Some suggest the Sphinx was built by the Pharaoh Khafre, while others posit it might predate the pyramids themselves. There are theories that propose the Sphinx served as a celestial observatory, its gaze aligned with the rising sun during the spring equinox. And yet, despite the multitude of theories, the Sphinx remains silent, keeping its secrets well guarded. This enigma has inspired generations to explore and discover, to question and seek. It's a testament to the human spirit, an eternal symbol of our insatiable curiosity. The Sphinx, an eternal riddle, continues to captivate us, reminding us of our enduring quest for knowledge and understanding.